The 2025 Cadillac Escalade IQ represents a bold step forward in Cadillac's journey toward a fully electric future, and this model is designed to carry all the prestige, luxury, and commanding presence that the Escalade name has built over decades. From the very first glance, the exterior makes a powerful impression. The Escalade IQ doesn't abandon the traditional Escalade's imposing stance, but instead refines it with modern touches that highlight its electric identity. A striking front fascia is dominated by a wide, illuminated grille that flows seamlessly into sleek LED headlights, creating a futuristic yet unmistakably Cadillac signature look. The sculpted body lines are sharp yet elegant, with aerodynamic contours that improve efficiency while maintaining the bold silhouette SUV buyers expect. Large wheels, flush door handles, and a sloping roofline add a sense of sportiness to the overall design, and the rear end features a dramatic light bar that stretches across the width, reinforcing its modern and tech-forward appeal. Performance-wise, the Escalade IQ leverages GM's Ultium battery platform, delivering impressive power and range. Buyers can expect dual-motor all-wheel drive setups that produce upwards of 680 horsepower in standard mode, with even higher output in performance trims, allowing the massive SUV to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. The ride quality is enhanced by adaptive air suspension and four-wheel steering, giving drivers an unexpectedly nimble feel for a vehicle of this size. Range estimates are projected to be around 450 miles on a full charge, which places it among the leaders in the electric luxury SUV space. Fast charging capabilities also allow the battery to recoup significant mileage in a matter of minutes, making it practical for long trips. Cadillac has clearly engineered the Escalade IQ to offer both raw power and long-distance comfort, bridging the gap between luxury and performance seamlessly. Step inside, and the Escalade IQ becomes a showcase of Cadillac's highest ambitions for luxury interiors. A massive 55-inch curved LED display dominates the dashboard, stretching from pillar to pillar and delivering sharp visuals for driver information, infotainment, and passenger entertainment. Premium materials like hand-stitched leather, natural wood, and brushed metal give the cabin a refined atmosphere, while customizable ambient lighting creates an elegant mood. Seating is both spacious and flexible, offering heated, ventilated, and massaging options for front and rear passengers. Technology integration is at the forefront, with advanced driver assist systems, augmented reality navigation, and a 40-speaker AKG Studio reference audio system that transforms the cabin into a concert hall. The third row remains generous, making the Escalade IQ a true family luxury vehicle without compromising comfort. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Cadillac Escalade IQ is positioned as a high-end luxury SUV, starting around $130,000 for base models and climbing closer to $175,000 for fully loaded trims with top-tier performance and features. While it is certainly not inexpensive, Cadillac is aiming squarely at the likes of the Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV, BMW X, and even Rivian's offerings, making the Escalade IQ a statement of American luxury and innovation. For buyers seeking an electric SUV that blends presence, power, technology, and opulence, the 2025 Escalade IQ is shaping up to be one of the most compelling options available. Would you like me to make this script more conversational for YouTube narration, or keep it in this reviewer journalist style?